Hello guys, yeah, it's mine. It's so bad. Oh my bad. Listen, that is it. So this game is you have a boy. So just that was where the king? The king. Oh God. Yes, I am getting the anger to kill it. He just gets mad at me and I'm nothing to do with him. Oh, there's some spiders there. Don't worry about that. I will get it back. I know that. Get that flourish black. To shield the circle. We end this level. So if you like to get this in the single, you customize it. Oh my God! Oh my God! The head. What's the matter here? Ew! The head. Oh my God! No. She's angry. And the hair is this the hair? No. She's like that body. Oh my gosh, this one. Oh my God, no us. Yes, yes. Yeah, no. It's nothing like but oh my God, there's no pet. It's all free except that one. Oh my God, that eye is so creepy. But and Halloween pack. Well, I know that. Oh, it's okay. Wow. So, guys, if you like to end the level, just comment or like the video and subscribe. If oh God, my voice is weak. Okay, I'm gonna start. Hello guys, so I'm so getting to Kwan. If you hope you like the video. If you like to end the level, just comment down. And if you like to end the video, just like or subscribe the video. I will give you some. I'm here in the Philippines and God is so nice. I just am Filipino and okay guys, bye. Hope you like the video. Please subscribe to end the game. Just comment down.